Hello, welcome to the Tech Stuff video channel. Today I am presenting you a new video that describes how to test a power generator. Commonly we are using power generators as a secondary power backup. In automatic conditions, generators turns on when utility power is suddenly down. Now you think what happens when the power goes out and your generator fails function as expected. This can be very costly and the damages depend on your application. This is the reason we need to certify the generator and check its operational conditions. Load bank test is the best testing to check the generator. In this case, generator terminals directly connect to the load bank terminals using power cables. You need to make sure that power cables are properly sized for maximum ampere ratings of generator. Before start the load test, you have to check the basic parameters of generator set such as battery voltage, coolant level, loop oil level and check for any abnormal conditions. Normally generator set is loading by stepwise. Like initially 25 load applies to generator and runs the generator about 15 minutes. Then increase the load by another 25% and run the generator. This need to continue for 75 and 100% loads also. While performing this, you have to record a document that including ampere rating, voltage rating, frequency, coolant temperature, loop oil pressure and etc. In normal conditions, standby generator can hold 110% maximum load for 1 hour duration. If you need to test further, you can run the generator with above overload conditions. During the load test, generator parameters need to become steady state without passing the cutoff levels. We'll see you soon with another video that describing generator control system testing procedure. Thanks and don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube.